every journey, there is ups and downs, rocky roads, smooth side. And I am grateful for you being my dad, helping us out, helping me out, and being always there for me, always caring. And yeah, just doing everything for us. You know, trying to give me a good future, trying to give Dane a good future, trying to give Bart a good future, trying to give all of us a good future. And yeah, and we'll always be here for you, no matter what.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy! We're making much cake for you. Huh?
Making much cake.
Put it. Put that.
What can you say about Daddy?
Daddy is a loving dad, and I will always love him. And he's supportive, and then he's funny, and then he's my dad. Happy birthday!
What do you want to say thank you to him?
Wow. Yes.
Thank him for what?
Thank you for
Whoa. Whoa. It's my egg. It's my egg.
Yeah, it's not open.
all I said was what I was thankful for.
Okay. How about you, Bart? I say thank you to Daddy.
Happy birthday!
What do you want to say to Daddy?
Happy birthday.
Before you see the actual product, here are some messages from people from the Philippines.
Happy birthday, Ninong.
We hope that you have a great day.
We wish happiness and good health. See you soon. Salamat for everything, Ninong. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Elvis, for 5, 6, or 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Kuya Elvis, for loving my sister and making a family with her. Happy birthday! Love, love!
Pare, Elvis, happiest birthday to you, my brother. Wala ka man dito, and you know na even though we don't have that much of communication, we always know that we're here for each other, and I'm really thankful that you've been part of my life. We've been friends, not only friends but just brothers, so we've come a long way together. So all I can say is not just a happy birthday, but also for our dear God to give you a peace of mind, malusog na pamilya, malusog na pangangatawan, masaya and contentment sa buhay. That's all that I have para i-wish ko para sa'yo. And we're still looking forward to for you to visit here sa Philippines para we can bond together, and lalo na yung mga anak natin na magkaroon din ng chance to meet each other. So tsaka na sa headset ko kasi nandito ako ngayon sa drive-thru ng Jollibee. Nagte-take ako ng order. Happy birthday, brother. Love you.
Cup. I like this big.
You just keep that one.
Kailangan yung big eh.
Yeah!
Oh, here. He needs.
So does that mean you can do it in there?
Yeah.
Oh, sige. One more? You wanna do one more?
Yeah.
Okay, Bart, teka lang, ano mo yung kapatid mo? Okay? Okay, just put everything there. Sige,
A little bit.
Marunong siya mag-open.
A little bit.
And open. Oh!
Happy birthday, bye, BFF, brother. Maging maligaya sa birthday mo. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo yan. Ahu.
Happy birthday, Insights! Enjoy! Have a good day!
Game na! Hello, pare!
Happy birthday, pare!
Elvis, tamayo! Happy birthday!
Mabuhay ka ng 2 milyon taon!
Pare Podet! Hello! Alam ko na to! Hey, happy birthday! Baka naman! Baka naman! Joke lang!
Aray ka, Elvis! Birthday tapos baka naman!
Pare, happy birthday!
Celebrate na kami, ya! Tagay tayo!
Wala kami, pare, ha? Happy birthday!
Nakakuha na!
Ingat ka dyan, pare! Ingat ka dyan, pare!
Ingat!
Happy birthday!
God bless you!
It's okay.
Hello! Happy birthday! Paring Elvis Tamayo! Namiss ko na yung banding natin. Kailan ka ba papasyal dito? Wala kaming gitarista rito. Anytime pare, pagpunta rito. Tawagan mo lang ako ha. Maring May ha.
Happy birthday, pare. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Ingat pare.
God bless, God bless.
Love you.
Viz, happy birthday par. Wish you all the best in life and good health, syempre always. That God bless you and sa family mo, and ingat kayo dyan palagi. Tapos thank you for being a friend and of course brother. Yon, ikaw yung isa sa mga taong nakilala ko since high school na may mabuting puso. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit par. Love you, miss you. See you soon.
Hi Elvis, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life and stay safe and always praise God. Keep your head up.
Parang Elvis Tamayo, happy birthday pre. Enjoy mo yung day mo. Wish ko lang sa'yo is good health, more blessings. Parang ingat ka palagi. Love you. Peace out.
Elvis has the power that even when he's not around with his friends, still they remember him. Bakit? May times kasi na nag-inom kami ni RJ, na pag-uusapan ka namin, binabackstab ka namin. Joke lang. Happiest birthday, Elvis. Keep safe always with Abby and kiddos. See you soon, hopefully. Rock and roll.
Peace. Kapatid. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Pare Elvis, happy birthday. Tandaan mo kahit anong mangyari, always keep your head big. Keep your head high. Okay? Ingat palagi. God bless and see you soon. Love you, man.
Yo, Elvis Tamais Davis. Happy fucking birthday, man. I'm with fucking Banky.
Hi Elvis, happy birthday. Elvis, the man himself, Mr. Organizer.
Mahal ka namin, pare. Mahal ka na.
Uwi ka na para matapos na yung Guerra Beast. Miss ka na namin. Love you.
Love you. Happy birthday, pare.
What's up? Balita ko birthday mo raw, Visa. So, napansin ko mga tropa natin, naglalakihan yun siya. Pero ikaw, iba lumalaki sa'yo eh. Hulo mo. Hindi, joke lang. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, brother, good health and wealth, and more success in life. So, happy birthday, bro. Peace out.
Elvis, ang ulo ng tahanan. Happy birthday pare. Mag-iingat ka lagi dyan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Si Elvis Tamayo, isang tunay na barbero, matikas sa lasinggero, musikero, bolingero, matinik na kawani ng gobyerno, matindi magmahal, mahilig sa bisikleta, fan ng Hinebra, makakasaang tropa, nakakatawa, siguradong asikasuhin ka. But most importantly, loving son, loving brother, loving father, loving husband, a true friend. Peace-loving person, except with Mylene, Layson, and the Garter. Happy birthday, Ulo. Pinaka-cute sa grupo. Tanggap namin yan. Yan ang totoo. Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday, Elvis Tamayo. Alien!
Brother Elvis, kamusta? Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Wish namin na more birthdays, blessings, and good health syempre. Mag-ingat lagi dyan, brother. See you soon pag uwi mo dito sa Pilipinas. Mag-ingat lagi dyan. Thank you sa lahat, brother. Thank you sa lahat.
Sa aking Brad na si Elvis Tamayo. Happy birthday. Stay safe and healthy. More birthdays to come.
Elvis, ang batayan ng notorious na estudyante na naging matagumpay sa buhay. Pinakamabait, pinakamaasahan, pinakagwapo, kaya laging insecure si Joy sa'yo. Pero higit sa lahat, pinakamaasahang kapatid ng mga barbero. Happy birthday, Per. We love you.
Si Elvis ay isa sa mga paborito kong tao, isa sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan ko, isa sa mga taong malakas mag-inom, makulit, at saka mahilig mang-headbutt. Happy birthday, pare. I love you. Naway ingatan at gabayan ka palagi ng mahal na po ang Jesus Nazareno. Happy birthday ulit.
Paring Elvis, happy birthday. God bless you, pare. Ingat dyan.
Yo, mga kaulo. Birthday pala ni Elvis Tamayo. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, ulo. Nag-iisang malaking ulo. Happy birthday. Para ingat ka lagi. God bless you. I love you. Miss you.
This has a big head and a big heart. Happy birthday, Ulo. Love, love.
Paring Elvis, happy birthday. God bless you, pare. Ingat dyan.
Ulo! First and foremost, happy birthday, par. Isa ka sa mga dahilan kung bakit ako unang nakalabas ng bansa. Isa ka rin sa dahilan kung bakit nakapagpakasal ako ulit. Kung nasan ka man, par, happy birthday. Hopefully okay kayo, ikaw, yung family mo, yung kids mo. Enjoy your day. And then hopefully magkita-kita ulit tayo at magkawalwalan. Happy birthday. Ingat kung nasan ka man.
Bago ko pumunta ng laban, kailangan batiin ko muna ang aking kaibigan. Isang maligayang arawan sa'yo, Elvis Tamayo. Kaya natin to.
Elvis, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Alam ko naman successful ka na rin. And you are so blessed to have a family, a loving wife, tapos poging mga anak. So, ang wish ko na lang sa'yo is good health and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday! See you soon!
Paring Elvis, happy birthday. Enjoy mo tong araw na to at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Sec Vince Dizon. Sana masakotin mo na lahat ng mga kurakot dyan sa DPWH. Happy birthday, Elvis. Rock and roll.
Elvis. Siya yung nawawala namin kapatid. Ano ba to? Marami na rin kami pinagsamahan yan eh. Mga ano pa yan, mga bata pa talaga yan. Alam mo yun, kasama ko yan sa Abad Santos, kami, si RJ, si Baki. Actually, tatlo yan eh. Si RJ, si Elvis, si Baki. Pero si Elvis, isa sa mga masasabi ko na mabait na tao na laging nandiyan sa kapatid ko. Ate talaga yung turing niya sa akin. Membro na ng family namin yan. Gusto ko na ang pabinyagan yan eh. Para talagang totaling kapatid na namin yan. Well, anyway, happy birthday sa aking tisoy na kapatid na si Elvis. Wishing you all the happiness, more success in life. And don't you ever forget na love ka ni ate. Nandito lang ako to support you. Kaya nga hanggang sa huli na nagkaanak ako, ikaw pa rin ang kinuha ko na ninong ng anak ko. So, happy birthday kapatid ko. I love you and wishing you all the best in life, success, and good health for you and for your family. I love you. Love ka ni ate. Mwah.
I know. Happy birthday. Salamat, Elvis, for being such a great ninong tito to my kids. Especially to Maxine. Naiwan siya dito sa US. Salamat, Elvis, for always being there for me. Alam mo na yun. You were the brother that I did not have. God bless you. Good health always. Hope to see all of you here in Seattle soon. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Elvis, happy birthday sa'yo. Wishing you all the best and more blessings to come. Sana uwi ka muna, mag-inuman tayo. Kasi happy birthday mo. And yun, mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan. Thank you sa mga tulong sa akin. Goodbye, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi tol, kamusta dyan? Ito kami, ayan o, maririnig mo nagsa-siren sa labas. Ibig sabihin, may missile na i-intercept. Anyway, happy birthday nga pala sa'yo. And paano ba? Maraming salamat sa unang-una, maraming salamat sa pag-aaruga kay Alex, sa pagpalaki sa kanya. Alam ko kayo nag-alaga dyan. Then kay mama, kay papa, kayo ni Utol ang palaging nag-aalaga sa kanila, sumasama sa inyo. Kayo bagasano. Ako wala, palagi ako sa senaryo. Salamat doon, tol. Salamat sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa advice. Sa advice mo sa akin. Kahit puro katarantaduhan. Then, yung para tayong magkaibigan.
Happy birthday, tol. 43 ka na, tama ba? Ang wish ko sa iyo, marirecall ka na, di ba? Good luck sa bago mong post. Post office. Sana maging akma sa iyo sa trabaho mo. And maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga at pagtingin kay Maxine, kay Mama. Sa'yo, magbao ka ng marami pambiling gasolina. Ang taas ng gasolina, sabi niya. Anyway, happy birthday, tol. More birthday to comes. And ingat kayo dyan lagi.